Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate two different products I use to help clean my makeup brushes. I don't know about y'all, but I have a love-hate relationship when I clean my makeup brushes. I love once I clean them because I know there's not any bacteria, any excess makeup that's built up in my brushes. And of course, the hate part is I hate going through the process and cleaning my brushes, but I know it needs to be done. So I'm going to show you what I use. So let's get started. You're going to need a couple of products to do this process. Of course, I have a bowl, an old towel, and of course, some dish soap. Now I'm getting my bowl and putting some water in it with some dish soap. Now I'm just getting the brush that I'm going to clean and dip it into the solution that I just made. And then of course I am getting one of this makeup brush cleaners and then just going back and forth to clean off the makeup that's on it. Also, if you didn't have a makeup cleaning pad, you can just get your hands and work the product in. Now we rinse it out. Now I'm just grabbing my old towel and getting the brush and just going back and forth so I don't have any excess water on it. Another good product I love to help clean my makeup brushes is a Beauty Blender Solid Soap. So of course, this is what it looks like. And all I do is wet my brush, put it into the soap, and then of course I get this makeup pad to help get off any excess makeup that's on it. Now just grab an empty container to put your brushes in to air dry and you're good to go.